Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will see the types of chemical reaction, that is combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement and oxidation reduction reaction. First we see the combination reaction. Combination means combining of two things. Here the general equation, like the reactant A combines with B, it gives AB, the product. So it is a general equation, combination reaction. Here when carbon or coal burn, it forms carbon and combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So it is a combination reaction. Again, when calcium oxide react with water or combine with water, it forms calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. It is another example of combination reaction. Now decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breakdown of single reactant. Here AB breaks into A and B. The product will be A and B. So AB decomposes into A and B. This is called decomposition reaction. For example, basically there are three types. Decomposition can be done by heat, electricity or light. So decomposition done by heat is called thermal decomposition. When iron sulfate heated, it forms iron oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So this is a thermal decomposition because decomposition is taken by the heat. Now another is, if the decomposition is done with the help of electricity, then it is called electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition. When the water is electrolyzed with the help of electricity, so the water changes into hydrogen and oxygen. Now another is photolytic decomposition, which is done with the help of sunlight. When silver chloride in a china dish kept in sunlight, it converts into silver and chloride. So these are the three examples of decomposition reaction. Now displacement reaction, in which our reactant displaces the another element or compound from another reactant, is called displacement reaction. For example, iron, when kept in copper sulfate solution, it displaces copper from copper sulfate from iron sulfate. And the blue color is changes into light green. And the iron nail changes into brown coating. Zinc react with copper sulfate. It gives zinc sulfate plus copper is another example. Now double displacement reaction, in which ions are exchanged in both the reactants. Here AB plus CD gives AD plus CB. A displaces D and C displaces B. For example, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. So sodium is displaced Cl2, it gives barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. This is another example of double displacement reaction. And in this reaction, and in which reaction precipitates are formed, that is called precipitation reaction. It is also a double displacement reaction, but precipitates are forming, so they are called precipitate reaction. Now oxidation. Addition of oxygen to any compound is called oxidation. For example, burning of copper powder in a china dish. So it will convert into copper oxide. Copper react with oxygen in the presence of heat gives copper oxide. So here oxygen is adding in copper, that is called oxidation. Reduction is addition of, or we can say removal of, oxygen.